command task is though it's an individual performance, you have to do in a group only. Group means your team will be there to assist you. Now, what happens is you're all sitting in the rust area. I'll keep calling one by one. Okay, and I'll take you to the command task where I need to do. Can be that one, can be that one, can be that one. Mere mercy. How do I decide there is a pattern? I will tell you that. Now, once you are walking up to me, I will come and connect with you. I will receive you. I will usher you to the command task. While I was taking you to the command task, I will do a little bit of chit chat with you to understand you a little bit, make you comfortable. Because what happens is, पहले बार आपको अकेला बुला रहे GTO, तो थोड़ा सा घबराहट हो जाता है. So we make you detached, right? Now I will take you to the command task and I will explain the command task to you. What is this all about? Because this is going to be different. Here the beauty is the helping materials can be different. What you have not done so far, you will be given here. Suppose for example, you have been very good in tying ropes in PGT and HGT. I have seen it already. So what I will do now to see whether you have coached or by hearted that procedure, or you are thinking at the spot impromptu. What I will do, I will not give you ropes. I will give you something else. For example, here there is a tire which we will bring from there. Okay. So what happens is, now I am going to see, can you manage with whatever helping material is given to you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now 15 minutes is the task. What's the time?
15
minutes. Now within this 15 minutes the task has to be performed. Maybe it's say this is a bomb. So I may say this bomb is going to explode within the next 15 minutes. You have to come inside and take the bomb and go out without touching the ground because this is a minefield. I'm standing in the minefield for the time being. Okay?
Yes.
Don't worry, it is not activated. Right? Okay. Now you know you are outside. You have to come inside, take the bomb and go out. Right? Within 15 minutes. Right? With the helping material is given. And you have two subordinates mostly. You can select from your own group. So we will ask you whom you want as subordinate. Now here the rules are all applicable the way you have done earlier, but except the group rule. Why group rule is not applicable here? हाथ पीछे रखो. विश्राम position. Okay. Why group rule is not applicable here?
Only one obstacle.
Yes, very good. It is not one obstacle, one stage only.
Yes.
Right? You don't have to go to the next stage. Since there is only one stage, there is no group rule. Right? All the other rules are applicable here. Now here you will generally find a 5-feet plank also, because in PGT you may get a 6-feet plank. That's a slight difference. Okay? Right. Now subordinates you can select, they will come and report to you. The moment the subordinates come and report to you, your time starts. 15 minutes. Start over. So आपको पहले करना चाहिए, always remember, ये practice session में भी करेंगे हम, that you will brief the subordinates quickly about the task. This is the task because they have not heard it. Right? And you will also say simple briefing. You can say, gentlemen or ladies, if you are going to be there, you are my subordinates. I am your commander here. This task is given to you. It will take 15 minutes time to explode this bomb. Now we have to go inside and get the bomb outside. All the rules are applicable here except group rule. इतनी बोलना. समझ गए? और भाग के जाके में मत करना. You are given 15 minutes. Remember, if you know the idea, it takes only 1 minute. So पहले से ही ना what happens normally, you get palpitated. Palpitation आ जाती है. You start running around. Stress हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. So let's not come under stress. आराम से करना है. You have to go and move and see all the structures around you. Then you decide which is the best structure from which you will go. You'll always find, like I'm standing here, see there is an approach from here, there is an approach from here, there is an approach from here. At least there are 3 approaches. Similarly, in every task you will find minimum 3 solutions in all commanders. Up piche. Stand always Vishram position, okay? Very important. So, please take your time. Don't get into panicky mood. Come and see all these things and move around. Take 2-3 minutes to see what is there. Then you decide which is the best option. Clear? This is all I am going to see. So remember, only Basi said, your behavior is most important. पट्टा बल्ली तो सभी रखेगा. अगर पट्टा बल्ली के ऊपर ही मेरा सिलेक्शन है, तो पंजाब में कितनी कारपेंटर है तुमसे अच्छा पट्टा भी नहीं रखेगा, उनको कोई ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत नहीं, तो रोज वही कर रहा है. So it is not only practical intelligence, it is all around your personality which is going to be assessed. It is the holistic package. Remember. So your behavior, your way of dealing with things, are you cool and composed in a situation of crisis? Can you manage your team well? Are you pleasant with them? Are you cheerful when you talk to them? Manners you are doing here, you should not start short temper and start shouting at them. And they are not your servants, they are your subordinates. So you will also do it and you will only ask their help. Now there is a word of caution for the subordinates. Suppose you have been selected as subordinates. So remember always, subordinates are not supposed to speak to the commander unnecessarily. The subordinates are not supposed to help the commander on the ground. Subordinates only listen. Right? It is as good as a working party. You are the master, you are the commander, you will tell them what to do. And they will do it. So physically only the commander will be helped by the subordinate. Is it clear to all of you? So the moment you got a role of commander, your role is totally different. The role of your subordinate will be totally different. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, unnecessarily, if you try to speak to the commander, you try to help him, that will go against you. Because I am watching all of it. Okay? Is it clear to all of us?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will tell you, this is the briefing part. Now, I will tell you one or two very interesting points you must note down. The first thing is, if you are being called as many times as commander, suppose say you are say chest number 96, everybody is calling him in the team, 96 chahiye, 96 chahiye, 96 chahiye. What is the indication? In a group, everybody wants you as the commander. I mean, subordinate. What is the indication? Tell me anybody. क्या लगता है आपको?
Having ideas.
Yes, not only ideas. He is a helpful person. Maybe you may be having idea, but you are an introvert character. You are always short-tempered. You are not a person whom I feel that you are not helping the other person. Other person will not call you. So your personality has been assessed by your subordinates also, your group also. So if you are being called repeatedly by your group members, that is a clear-cut indication that you are popular in the group and you are required to be there when there is a crisis required, because that is what we want, camaraderie, right? So this is a very good indication for a GTO to select you also, because we call it sociometry. So we will also see who is being called repeatedly in the group. Another situation, you call two of you, same two only called you as subordinate. इसी मीनिंग क्या होता है? जुगाड़ है, तू मेरे को बुलाएगा, मैं तेरे को बुलाऊंगा. समझ गया? वो भी करता है everybody, but at least it is still okay. Now imagine the third worst situation. You called two of the subordinates. वो दोनों भी तेरे को नहीं बुला रहे. What does it mean? Nobody wants to call you. Suppose these two subordinates you are called, they also when they become commander didn't call you. उसकी मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Not wanted.
You trust somebody, that fellow is not trusting you. So it's a very poor kind of impression you create. तो ये कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकता ना आपको कि तू बुलाएगा तो मेरे को बुलाएगा तो मैं तो फोर्सफुली करूँगा, वो तो नहीं कर सकता ना. So your behavior in the group for the almost 4 days of your stay there counts. If you're not good to others, you're not pleasant to others, you're not cheerful, you're not helpful नहीं है, आपका assessment उससे भी होता है. Remember this. So it is not only patta belly business. It is your behavior, the way that you treat your subordinates, the way the group treats you. Everything will be taken into consideration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next indication. Next indication is, say you have done one solution. इधर से आ गया, bomb उठा के ले गया. So GTO has seen it. Now GTO says कि now while you are doing it, this structure has broken down. Now you have to come from there or from here, है ना? करना पड़ेगा ना? So this is another very nice indication that GTO is not leaving you. Even if you have given the solution, GTO is trying to twist you a little bit. थोड़ा और चाबी दे रहे. Putting more pressure on you. You know, pressure ही तो है. That is actually a good indication. नॉर्मली कैंडिडेट सोचते पता है कि अरे GTO मेरे पीछे पड़ गया, मर गया मैं. But it is ulta. GTO is actually wanting you to clear. So what is he doing? He is checking back. Are you coach? You have already seen the structure, or you can improvise yourself. समझ रहे? So don't get worried. If GTO is keeping you here, he is putting pressure on you. He says कि this blue has become white color or this has gone red color. He changes color also. Sometimes what he does, out of 3 sub helping material, he will take out one. He says कि अब यही नहीं आपके पास. So these are all good indications. So don't get worried and come under stress then. Because normally candidates come under stress. You people should not come under stress. Clear? This is a good indication that he is now trying to lift you. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. So these are the briefing I want to give you just for the command task matter.